Hello guys, I just got a package from my fan with that launcher and I want to unbox it today actually. It's a Hasbro, I think it's a BeyBlaster or something, I don't know. It's made by Hasbro for Metal Fight base. So yeah, let's rip it and open. This package is a normal package from Hasbro. Yeah, I got it here. It looks kinda goofy, not gonna lie. I have some bases there, so let's try it on. I guess you need to. Oh shit. How does it work actually? I think you need to do this and I don't know. Let's do it. It's so goofy. This lounge is so bad. Actually, I feel like it want to break in my hands. So goofy. And so bad. Okay, it's a better launch. I think I'm just bad. I don't know, read it more times, I guess. It's so loud, oh my gosh. I will let's use an check type by now. Okay. It's so bad, oh my gosh. It's the worst launcher I have. Not gonna lie. Let's do it again. Okay. Every time it's better actually. I don't think if I can do any battles with it. It's so slow to even do something. We need to. I don't know how to name it even. Need to do this thing for this to work. I don't know. Which base should I use? Let's use this fake Carebox. Oh shit. Oh my god. So bad. It's the worst launcher I have. Even my normal launcher is freaking better. But it's still bad. Actually I can I can launch harder with my hand than with this shit. It's actually so bad. Oh my god, so loud. Wait, let me get who should I use? Let me use this tempo. Okay, okay. Shit. Let's see how I win. Nah. Shouldn't even compare that. Launcher! It's so bad! It's just trash, okay? Don't even buy it. It's trash. I can launch harder with my hand. Watch this. It's so easy. But by the way, thank you so much for that package. I also got this the launcher. I actually have it, so it's my second, and I got also a few burst bass. I really like burst series, so that's nice. So yeah, please don't buy this shit. This is so bad. I don't know what is this whole all the shit. I don't know how to use this or this. Don't even buy this. This is so trash. Let me launch one more time, but as hard as I can. Okay, let's launch this goofy jumping bay with this goofy launcher. I don't know if this will even work or something. Let it through. Yeah, this is trash. So, yeah, please don't buy this shit. And yeah, bye.